We have to study of this seminar topic. My topic is coordination compound. My name is Tejas Bhaskar. I am studying in BSc final year student. So my topic is coordination compound. Study of additions and complex compound. So the topic is molecular or addition compounds. So, when solution containing two or more salts in stoichiometric, that is simple molecular proportion, are allowed to evaporate, crystals of new compounds separate out. These crystals are found to have a shape different than the crystal of parent salts. These compounds are called molecular or addition compound. Depending upon their behavior in aqueous solution, they are further classified as A is a double salt or lattice compound. B is coordination or complex compound. So molecular or addition compounds is when solution जेव्हा सोल्युशन हे कंटेन टू और मोर सॉल्ट्समध्ये असतात त्या सिम्पल मॉलिक्युलर प्रोपोर्शन आर अलाउड टू इव्हॅपोरेट होते क्रिस्टल्स ऑफ न्यू कंपाऊंड सेपरेट आउट. सो दिस क्रिस्टल आर फाउंड टू हॅव अ शेप डिफरंट शेपमध्ये क्रिस्टल्स हे पॅरेंट साल्टमध्ये crystal of parent salt. These compound are called molecular or addition compound. So thus A is a double salt or lattice compound. Double salt are those molecule compounds which exist only in crystal lattice, that is as solid, but break down into their constituent components when dissolved in water or another solvent. Their chemical properties remain essential, they same as those of individual components. Some well-known double salt are more salt, potash alum, and carbon. So the B number is complex compound. Complex coordination or complex compound. Coordination or complex compound are those molecule compounds which retain their identities even when dissolved in water or any other solvent, and their properties completely different from those of the constituent. Example: when aqueous ammonia is added to green solution of nickel chloride, the color changes to purple. The Ni2 positive ion almost disappears from the solution. Ammonia enters into an intimate association with Ni2 positive ion, yielding a new ion of composition, NiNH3 2 positive. Such an ion is called a complex ion. The solution on evaporation yields purple crystal corresponding to formula NiNH3 Such a compound is called coordination or complex compound. So the second is common terms used in the study of complex compound. First is central metal ion CMI, which has two or more neutral molecules or negative ions attached to it in a complex compound. Ligand, the group attached to CMI, are called ligand. The essential contain at least one atom having a lone pair of electrons in the formation of complex. This lone pair is denoted to CMI and a coordinate bond is established. For this reason, these compounds are called as coordination. Example: ethylene diamine NH2CH2CH2NH is a bidentate ligand. Third number is coordination number. Coordination number is Cn. It is the total number of coordinate bonds that CMI can form. Example: the coordination number of ion in AgCN2 is 2. So the fourth number is complex and electrically charged radical containing CMI and two or more ligand is called a complex ion. The charge carried by complex ion is the algebraic sum of charges of CMI and ligand. Complex compound, a compound containing complex ion is called a complex compound. Sometimes the complex compound may not contain any ion. Sixth type is coordination pair. The CMI and ligand directly attached to it in a complex are said to be present in coordination. While writing the formula, the groups present in coordination pair are enclosed in square bracket. Those not in the sphere is written outside the bracket. So thank you all of. This is my seminar topic. So, end is end of the complex compound.